Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a really special new accessories for Model 3 and Model Y owner. I found this product on Kickstarter and the product was developed by EnnovaTools. So I contacted the company and their development team that I am interested in reviewing and testing the product on my Model 3, and their team was super nice and friendly and kind. They sent out their prototype to me because the product is not out in the market yet, so they only have the prototype available. And this is the prototype of Alset Tray. The Alset Tray is multi-purpose tray that you put on the center console of your Model 3 and Model Y. Then you can put any of your belongings, your food, your makeup, iPad, laptop. You can use while you drive, while you're supercharging, or while you're on autopilot. When I first saw this product, I thought it would be a perfect accessories for my wife because she usually have her breakfast on the way to work. And also, this is collapsible, so you can close it down, collapses the tray, and put in the storage. The products also have the non-slip texture on the top of the tray, so when you put stuff or your belongings on, it wouldn't be rolling around. I think this product would be a perfect accessories for my family when we do a road trip, or any family to do the road trip. They are doing crowdfunding on Kickstarter right now. I'll put the link in the description below. Enough talking. Let's try to put the Alset Tray in my Tesla Model 3 and test it out. Let's go. Let's try to install this tray in my Tesla Model 3 center console. So you basically just put it on just like that. It's really simple and easy to do. As you can see, the tray uses this handle on the center console to stop the tray from moving down. That's why it stays in place. And these anti-slip grip on the bottom of the foot and on the top side underneath the tray also stop it from going left or right. So it's really stable when you put it on here, even though it doesn't have any kind of locking mechanism on it. Just want to remind you, this is the prototype piece. This is 3D printed prototype, so the fit and finish might not be finalized, but the shape of it, it's really fit the design of your Model 3 and Model Y. It's really simple, but it's really clever how they decided to fit this center console. Let's try to put some of my stuff on the tray and see how the tray handles some heavy object like big camera like this, and also a small DJI and my phone. And let's go for a test drive with all of this on the tray, and I'll be driving and see if it stays in the tray or it will roll over with a little bit of turning and braking. Let's go. Okay, let's go for a test drive and see how this anti-slip and the tray works. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna try to start it with some acceleration right here. Wow, it holds both of these objects really well. Now it just turned. Okay, I'm gonna try to accelerate again. Pretty good. Now brake. Wow, it works really well. We're gonna order some food.
Honey, today one moment, I'll be right with you.
Okay, now we are taking a U-turn here. See how it holds all the food. Pretty good. Hard brake, really hard. Whoa, that is impressive. Everything stays on the tray. Here at our favorite burger place, of course, In-N-Out. Let's see how much food we can put on that tray.
Two burgers and 2 fries are well. Any ketchup for you guys?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Ketchup, you got it.
See here, the tray can easily fit the box from In-N-Out, and you still can put the drinks here, and you even have more space right here. So with our tray, the box would have to sit like that. So any mess that come out of the box would be on your car everywhere over here. So this is a really good accessory for everybody. I think this is really useful. After you're done using the tray, simply just remove it, unlock those 2 locks in the back of the tray, fold it down, and then store it. So every single tray on Kickstarter right now that EnnovaTools it's running comes with the storage bin for the tray, and if you have Tesla Model Y, the tray and the storage bin would fit underneath the seat of Model Y. But I have the Model 3, it won't fit in the front. If you have the Model 3 like my car, the storage bin that comes with it would fit in the space right here. So the bin that comes with the tray will protect all the dirt and the dust. You can also put in the front when you're done, and also put in the back, the trunk, when you're done using it. So what do you think about this tray? I think it is really good accessories to have. So this is really useful accessory. After I've been using it for a couple days and testing it with a lot of objects on the tray while driving, braking, cornering, it did really well, even though this is just prototype. As you can see, this is just printed prototype, but it's still doing a really good job. So if you guys are interested in getting the tray, they are still running the Kickstarter on the Kickstarter website, which I will put the link on the description below. And usually it is cheaper to get the pre-order on the Kickstarter before they put it out for the public. Thank you EnnovaTools again for sending this prototype to me to test, to review. I really like the product. Can't wait for the actual product to come out and use it for myself and my family. Thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to click like if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for the future content. We'll see you on the next video.